In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your plan on Revolut, whether you're exploring more features or dialing things back to keep it simple. The process is quick and clear once you know where to tap. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone and tapping the profile icon in the top left corner. This is your personal hub, and it's where all your account settings live. From here, look for the option labeled Your Plan. This screen shows your current subscription and the benefits that come with it, so you know exactly what you're on right now. Next, tap See Plans to bring up all the available options. You'll see different tiers laid out with their key features and pricing. Take a moment to review what each plan includes, like travel perks, higher allowances, or extra protections, and compare that against what you actually use. Paying attention to the monthly cost and any commitment details will help you choose confidently. Once you've decided which plan suits you best, select it and follow the on-screen steps to confirm your choice. The app will walk you through a brief summary so you can double-check the price and inclusions before you proceed. Only continue when everything looks right. If you're upgrading, your new plan usually takes effect immediately. That means you'll get access to the added features right away, and your billing will update in line with the new plan's terms. If you're downgrading, the change is typically scheduled for the end of your current billing cycle. You'll keep your existing plan's benefits until that date, and then the new lower tier will kick in automatically. Remember, you can change your plan at any time, but ending a paid plan early may involve fees. It's a good idea to check the plan details and any fine print shown during confirmation so there are no surprises. If something doesn't look as expected, pause and review before finalizing. If you don't see the options mentioned, try scrolling on the Your Plan page and make sure your app is up to date. Sometimes layout changes after updates, but the steps remain the same. Profile, Your Plan, see plans, choose and confirm. And that's it. You now know how to change your Revolut plan with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you pick the plan that fits your needs today and can adapt as they change.